Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and if you watch my channel, you know I absolutely love the Zuru My Mini Babies. They are absolutely adorable, and I haven't gone overboard, but I certainly love them. When they came out with the Valentines, I made my own. This is one of the regular Zuru babies. I have a full video on this. This turns into a little purse. My first one, the one I wanted most was Cupid, and my first one, I did get Cupid. I got this just cutest thing. And then I got this little fella, and look at the little hat. I'm crazy about that little hat. It just reminds me of Dr. Seuss and Do You Like My New Hat? Let me move these over and show you what I did get at Walmart. I am delighted because this was the next one I wanted. And now I not only have it, I have it in a little case. That is the cutest little old baby. Oh, and when you touch them, and I did buy one. Let's see if I can get this open on camera. I did buy one. I hope I get the, of course, I hope I get the one I do not have, and that's this one. But I don't know if this is a heavy enough container for that. If I got two Cupids, I would not be upset, I'll tell you that. Would I like to have all four? Oh, I would, but you know, they're only $10, only $10. But when you multiply that by 4, that's $40 for the set, which is fine. But then when you start buying them just to get the set, they got you. They gotcha, and I'm not gonna do that. I might buy one more, but I would not keep buying it. I really hope this is the one I need, but
It'd be cheaper to get on eBay and
I
buy,
did,
buy
yeah.
the opened one. You did
And
that.
I did that. I had done that with the a little dark-haired baby. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, pop. Okay. This is the look what you didn't get list. That's what I call it because they put this in everybody's to entice you to get more. You can even put little check marks there. How cute is that? All right.
Adorable.
All right. No, I don't think I, well, maybe. Oh, I meant to show this. If you're looking for this particular one, I meant to show this. Look what I found accidentally. Hear those flowers shaking? I thought that when I got home, I moved it and I heard that and I thought, you know what? I'll bet that's flowers because what else could it be? All right, so I did get a duplicate. However, this one is out of the display, so I am not upset about it. Let's put this together. Ooh, almost lost something.
And what kind of baby did you get with it?
Yeah, I think it's the same baby. Well, you know what? Oh, there's a little bitty, teeny tiny, itty bitty pacifier. Oh, how many of those get lost? What do you think the percentage is?
Lost it open.
99.9%. Here she comes. Oh, look how darling that is. Let's get her together. How adorable is our little Japanese girl? Oh my goodness, look at this basket. It is so cute. I've heard people say there are more pegs than there are flowers. This is supposed to be, what are they called? Cherry blossom tree. And in tattoos, I know you always show a leaf falling from a cherry blossom. So I'm assuming they fall quite a bit. So that is going to be the excuse I give for the empty pegs. She is so cute. The little pacifier, oh my God, I've dropped it like 3 times. If you get one of these babies, hang on to that pacifier and pay attention to where it is. These are adorable. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. I do want to mention that Tina, Dory and I, Dory's Dollies, Tina's Reborns, and Dolls Rescued is going to have a Zuru, Valentine Zuru baby collab coming up real quick. It's, I can't believe how fast time is flying. So stay tuned and don't miss that collab. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.